Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, and today we have another super cool car for you. This is a 1953 MG TD. This one is finished in beautiful red. It's got black vinyl interior and it is tiny, which is part of the charm of this car. I absolutely love these things. They're really zippy, super fun to drive. This only has a 1250cc inline 4, but it does have twin carburetors, adding to the sportiness of it. 4-speed manual transmission behind it, and it's just gorgeous to look at too. It's a fun little roadster. You got a black vinyl top as well that is manual, easy to put up and down, and you have these little wing nuts that tighten down on these little pegs to cinch it to the roof. But I'm going to keep it down because it's nice out today. If you want to see pictures of the top up, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can see all that stuff there. I also have pictures of the windows, which are back here currently. You can totally remove them, again, for a nice sporty feel. This has 15-inch MG wheels on it. You got the big full-size spare tire on the back, big chrome bumpers, suicide doors. Another cool thing about these MGs, they open backwards. Very cool. The MG Car Company Ltd written there on the door sill. Very neat. All the gauges, massive RPM gauge. Not really a whole lot going on in here. I'm going to start it up in a minute. The starter's kind of neat. It's not normal, but I'll tell you why in a second. Under here, you do have a Smith's heater. Now, this wasn't a factory option for the MG, but it could be dealer installed if you wanted it. Now, I don't know if this one was dealer installed when this car was new or if it was added later, but you do have a heater. No air conditioning. The air conditioning is the wind blowing over your head while the top is down. And it is in just really good condition. The paint's really nice on it. The interior is in really good condition as well. All the chrome is absolutely great. It also has a fold down windshield. If you want to do that, you have 2 more wing nuts on either side by the side mirrors, and this will fold forward to get the full MG experience. Independent front suspension that adds to the sportiness of it. And it just looks really neat. These early 50s MGs look British. You could tell this is a British car even if you didn't know what a British car was supposed to look like. And it looks like we have some sort of maybe a coolant gauge up here on the hood. That's kind of neat. MG badge on the front, chrome grille. I love these little cars. They're super fun to drive. I'm going to start it up real quick for you guys to show you how the starting process works. And then I'm going to go get Chris, and we're going to take this little thing for a spin. Okay, starting the MG is simple, but it is different. You have the spot for the key over here, and you're going to put this upside down, and if I turn it the right direction, into the ignition and turn it like so. Now you'll notice the voltage moved because the ignition is now on, but this doesn't start the car. You can't turn the key. The MGs are a little bit weird. There's a little pull handle right here. Put the clutch in, make sure it's in neutral real quick. This little knob on the dash, you pull it out, and that's the starter. And as you can tell, this thing fires right up. Water temperature is this gauge on the bottom. Has not moved. Still at our outside temperature because I cold started this thing. Oil pressure immediately shot up to over 60 psi, which is fantastic. Voltage meter is working. It's an aftermarket one, but that's okay. It's charging, which is cool, but I've always thought this was such a weird novelty thing, the MG starter. And this little thing just runs incredible and sounds amazing. Now I'm gonna go get Chris and we'll take this thing for a spin. I'm gonna hop in. Wow, like I said earlier, we're gonna leave the top down because it's nice out, and we're average sized men. We're average sized. We do have lap belts in this guy. I'm gonna put mine on.
How cool is this little car?
These cars are neat. I've always thought these cars were neat. And they're zippy.
Woo, they are zippy.
You got, yeah, I know. They're responsive.
Very, I love it.
Very responsive.
So it's a 53. What do we got in here, Jake?
1250 cc's. Inline 4.
Of course.
I'll have to look up the horsepower number.
Horsepowers?
Horsepowers.
I don't think it's a lot.
It made some of them. Getting out onto the open road finally.
I'm about to go into 4th gear. I'm a little excited.
Wow. 4th gear.
Oh, wow.
Very
She
nice
gets real
in 4th
quiet.
gear.
Oh, she's nice. Oh, wow. Look at the mirrors.
I know, you got both side mirrors and the rear view mounted on the dash.
Very nice. The old Speed Racer rearview mirror.
Big old wooden steering wheel. Also very nice.
Nicely.
No, these cars drive really well. Independent front suspension too. I mean, that engine is so tiny, it can't weigh that much.
No.
These cars are so tiny.
1250 cc's?
Yes.
Wow.
So 1.25 liters.
I apologize.
For you guys playing along at
1.25
home.
liters. Wow.
I think it made somewhere in the range of 50 horsepower.
Yeah, I think you're being pretty nice to him.
Don't quote me, I'll put it up on screen.
Yeah, he can do that because of movie magic and stuff.
I mean, it drives great though, and these are fun little sports cars. They look very British.
Very.
The black vinyl seat is in really good condition.
It is.
And it's comfortable. We have a black vinyl top. There's the wipers up here in the windshield. They're connected by a cable.
Do we just move them? Oh, no, there it is. It's a little winder.
I believe they're electric, but I have the GoPro up there, so I don't want to turn them on. But yeah,
we don't want to get caught in the rain. Wouldn't it be fun?
I have an oh-you-know-what handle over here that I can hold on to. Just in case.
Our beautiful brakes.
I think I also looked up the top speed of this car was, it was 78 miles an hour.
Really?
Something like that, yeah.
That's frightening.
It's not
like we're
fast.
going 100 right now.
These were made for small British B roads, not large American highways.
Amen.
Although you could get this up onto the highway and around 60 and cruise just fine, but
boy,
this is made for zipping around back roads, country roads, stuff like that.
Good old George Zip.
And they're very fun cars. 2nd gear action. Very nice. 3rd gear action. Very nice.
Very nice. It's very notchy.
It is very notchy.
Well, let's put it in 4th. Why
4th gear action. Awesome.
Gosh, it just drives really nice. I do like it. You are part of the road. Talk about road feel, man.
I mean, I could reach my arm out of this car and touch the road right now if I wanted to.
Let's not.
It is right there.
Let me just do this real quick.
Yeah, you're low to the ground.
You're right here, man. You're in it to win it.
But you're so one with nature.
Oh, you're part of the world.
You're part of the world.
Yeah, the new cars do make you feel kind of isolated and all by yourself, listening to your little podcast or what have you. But
now we do have the Smith's heater down here as well.
There is an actual heater.
There is a heater down here now. That wasn't a factory option, but it could be dealer installed.
Oh.
And the Smith's heater was what the dealer would have installed. So I don't know if this is dealer installed or if it was added later, but it's here now.
Jake, I love this little car.
We don't need
really
it.
does shift nice.
Here's the beam test.
Wow.
The exhaust sounds pretty good. Making a fun little noise. Not a lot of beans.
No, we're not talking about a ton of beans, but really doesn't need to have a ton of beans.
No.
It's actually a cool car, and it's pure driving enjoyment. I really like it.
I'll have to look up the curb weight when we get to our spot. I want to know how much this weighs.
That doesn't weigh much.
From factory.
We can move it rather easily.
They are fun little cars.
It actually is a lot of fun. Didn't we drive an Austin Healey in a similar, like, 50s range?
We drove a Jag.
Oh, the Jag.
The gray.
Oh, I remember that Jag. That was so nice. This is similar.
This is similar. I'd rather have this though.
I
pretty
like it a lot.
easy to maintain as well.
I would imagine.
These little four-cylinder MGs. Not a lot going on.
No, I like the fact they got a new volts gauge, but this looks like to be
water temp's good. Water temp is in Celsius, it looks like, in this one, not Fahrenheit.
Well, that makes sense.
Watch out for that. You might think your car's really cool, but really it might be overheating if you go up to around 90.
Made in England.
Made in England, yeah. Right. The gauges are sweet.
Let's do some flybys.
Yeah, let's do it.
Jake, I don't have to tell you to go real fast, because you're not. We're going to buckle up for safety, folks. That's Jake for you. Mr. Safety, they call him. He doesn't drive his Camry at 100 miles an hour. That would be wrong. Nope. No, not you.
I've never done that.
Never. There he goes. Isn't it cool? It's a cool little car. It's a classic, no question. Is it a fast classic? The answer is no. Is it a cool classic? Without question, 100% cool classic car. Old Man Peters going down the road. Probably gonna feed the ducks at a local duck pond. That's what he looks like he's gonna do in that car. There he goes. Ahoy, boy!
Ahoy! Bit of user error on the first flyby. I didn't find third gear very
It's
well.
okay. It's not the easiest gear
But
to find.
found it just fine on the way back.
Yes,
Not the
you
car's
did. It
fault
sounds
at all.
great.
It does sound kind of cool, actually.
For what it is,
It's small,
it's not big.
but it's not too small because
no, we
both-
fit in there comfortably.
But we're also not big people.
No, we're tiny
If you're
people.
6'9", maybe look for something else.
Yeah, this isn't your car.
No, but
Can't
it's
fit in a Viper either, just
But
FYI.
I don't envy people who are tall because I like driving this.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that I'm a little bit short because I get to fit in here and have fun.
And it's a fun car. It'll
Yeah.
be fun to cruise on little backcountry roads.
I know, it's a sweet little car. You ready to take it back?
Let's go.